It's time to talk about automation and much, much more with Russell here at SMC. So tell me a little bit about SMC.
Well, SMC is the global world leader in automation, not just pneumatics. We tend to be associated just with pneumatic equipment, but we've moved out now to electric actuators. And this particular rig here, it demonstrates the difference between pneumatics and electric actuators and the feedback. So if you'd like me just to stand around here.
Absolutely, yeah. Let's get a proper little look at this then.
In essence, what this is doing is replicating any manufacturing process. So we've got picking, we've got placing, we've got some assembly. And this side is the traditional pneumatics, which gives you simple feedback from end to end. On the other side here, fundamentally it looks just like pneumatic equipment, but we've got stepper drives with encoders with feedback as well. So what that enables you to do, for instance, on this part here, is when you actually pick up the container, it'll measure it. So if it passes the measurement, it'll put it onto the next part of the process. If it's too big or too small, then it'll take it back for a rework.
So it's a smart machinery right here.
Smart machinery. And like the equipment now is with Industry 4 coming on board, it's web enabled as well. So this equipment will also feed back to the operator, who could be remote, another part of the world even, and you can dial into the machinery and make adjustments remotely.
So how user-friendly is this for your clients and customers?
Well, this is user-friendly in so much that a lot of our equipment will integrate together. We've got a massive team of specialists. So we've got the general sales team, we've got industry specialists for semiconductor, for car manufacturing. So we're across a lot of industries, and we give a complete solution, not just a component supplier like you would find typically.
All right, so why is it so important that you're present at this year's expo?
Well, as a Japanese company, which SMC is, the product development is massive. We launch 50 new products every year. So if we don't come to shows like this, our customers don't really get to see the development. And it may be just simple things like an expansion of a range, but equally there'll be a completely new product range. Sometimes we need to do a genning up on what they actually are. So it gives our customers, and we find that the shows now are becoming more and more attractive to customers, and the customers have been encouraged to come out. So it just highlights really our range more than just a pneumatics manufacturer.
And would you like to give us a quick summary of what else is available here on your stand to explore and to have demonstrated and to find out?
We've got the full range of electric actuators. We have non-contact grippers, which have come from our life science and electronics industry. There's all the process equipment from the medical and semicon industry as well. And there's a full range of actuators and static countermeasures as well. We're big in static countermeasures. Static can occur in a number of industries, not just from semiconductor, from packaging. So there's a full demo. So anyone come along and have a look at our stand and see what we can offer.
Brilliant. Well, it is buzzing. There's a lot to see here. Do you want to give us a very quick summary of SMC's history and values?
SMC started in Japan in 1958. Mr. Takada, who's still our chairman now. And so SMC came to the UK in 1978. And we've grown now. We've got a sales force of 135 sales engineers out on the road, a really big factory in Milton Keynes, and constantly pushing forward the development and expansion through the UK.
Fantastic. And I hear a belated happy birthday is in order, so happy birthday for yesterday.
Thank you very much.
All right, do make sure then to pay SMC a visit. There's lots to see here. Very busy indeed, especially around this fantastic piece of kit right here. Thanks very much.
You're welcome.